talk a lot about efficiency at Hyliion, but exactly what does that mean? At its core, efficiency is very simple. It's how much useful electrical power you get for the fuel you put in. Higher electrical efficiency means more electrical power for every unit of fuel, leading to lower operating costs, fewer emissions, and better performance over the entire lifetime of the product. The KARNO Power Module is engineered to capture and reuse heat across the entire system. At the heart of this approach is the regenerator, a very complex thermal structure that absorbs heat and releases it back into the cycle, functioning like a thermal battery. These geometries are only possible through additive manufacturing, with multiple regenerators working together inside every KARNO Power Module. This leads to up to 50% in electrical efficiency and up to 90% in code generation applications. The regenerator's complexity is a key reason we are able to achieve this level of performance.